Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink on Monday.
Does my hair look okay?
I think so, yep. We're paying the stylist overtime. It's known as the Florida heat. That thing works hard. Anyways, but today we have ourselves Mountain Dew Energy, the Major Melon.
Hello, Major.
Major! 180 milligrams of caffeine, mental boost, immune support. Sounds like a winner to me. Oh, it should be. All right, let's look at the important factoids. So first off, we got 5% juice. Yes. 20 calories, 7% of sodium, which equals out to 170 milligrams of sodium, 5 grams of carbohydrate, 4 grams of sugar, not too bad, 140 micrograms of vitamin A, 9 milligrams of C, 16 milligrams of niacin, 1.53 milligrams of B6, 4 milligrams of some lovely acid, and 1.7 milligrams of zinc. Ooh, zinc is good for you.
I
Nice.
got 5% juice.
Yeah, that 5% juice, that definitely is a winner.
I also like the 20 calories. Is that for the whole can?
The whole can, yeah. One serving.
I'm glad they figured that out.
Yep.
And somehow still make it taste pretty good.
There we go. Ooh, has good smell.
Can you get a room?
Ah, yep, that flat watermelon flavor.
Flat.
With bubbles and a little bit of juice, makes it nice and smooth.
Classic Mountain Dew.
Yep.
Fires.
Those bubbles are good. I need those. Having all the dust in the throat.
Yeah.
A lot of fun. That's tasty.
Good timing. Yeah, you definitely can't.
Nope. Can't go wrong with that.
Yeah,
That's good.
It's like a very good all-around flavor.
Because the watermelon, watermelon is a hard flavor to get right. But it seems like this one, it's just about right because you get that water from the watermelon and then you get that little hint of melon flavor. So they did a pretty good job actually replicating watermelon.
Pretty scientific. You had the water. Watermelon.
Wasn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, great can design on there as always. Very bright and appealing. So, but tasty.
Very nice, smooth.
Yes, it's very smooth. That's that 5% juice coming in handy.
I'm a fan.
I don't even know if these are still on shelves anymore. So we've had this one sitting around for a little bit. So, but it tastes good.
It's flat.
Nah, it's not flat. It's just the way just the melon.
No calories. Low calories.
I know, 20
like
calories. So you get 10, I get 10. You get 90 milligrams of caffeine. I get 90 milligrams of caffeine. It works out good.
Yeah.
So
That's
I like
also
it.
scientific.
Also very scientific. Actually, no, that's
Water from melon?
That's mathematics, which is part of science.
Water from watermelon, and you know, if you divide one thing into half, you get 2 from that.
Yeah, you get halves.
Yeah.
Anyways, so I would say that one is definitely good. I definitely like the just the regular cans of this as well, but this with a little bit more pep in the step with more caffeine is definitely nice. So like it. I'd say SRT, not necessarily 392, but definitely good for what it is, which is Mountain Dew and energy.
I really like
it.
the 5% juice.
I do like that. That's pretty cool. Nice taste. So, anyways, if you can still find it, I'd say try it because you'll probably like it. So, anyways, guys, thank you for watching.
Too bad for you.
Too bad. You might be able to find it on eBay. Anyways, we'll see you guys here next time on Energy Drink Monday. Bye-bye.